Alright, so Chrome Uni Jumbo Double Box. Random team at number 1 coming at you guys. Teams on the racks.
There's the big fella, number 7, just his second NBA season. Way down the list at Arkansas Bigs. I mean, he's kind of way down there, but a good player.
Alright, so we'll grab 2.
No. Who's ahead of you, Arkansas Bigs, all time? Bigs? Yeah. You're shaking your head no. Nobody? Yes, in my opinion. Well, there's not one other Arkansas Big. Well, that's any good. Joe Klein might argue.
First super fractal.
Miller might argue. I'm okay. Same.
Oh boy, CB. Oh, super time. Good luck, everybody. Stockton. Little Pendergrass. Ooh, what a start. First pack true gold on card Kevin Jennings. Dang, 27 of 50. Great start to the 2 box. SMU kicking us off. Blackjack. Very nice, Colin. You see me, Jennings ink. So Beck, Path to Glory. And Darian Mensah. Kozil, Caden Lee, the lime green mini diamonds, 275. Ole Miss Rebels. Neil Haynes. Anthony Rivers. Ja'Cory Barney Jr. Old Cornhusker Inc. And Clements. Stone Francis Magoa. Is that red? Ooh, that's red shimmer. Washington Huskies. Colin. Any big Huskies? So Denzel Boston. Big name. Forgot he's the big receiver at Washington. I was no saying he's going to be top 2, top 3 receiver off the board. Dang, red shimmer 3 of 5. Colin, nice hit. Yeah, what a first box. I'm pretty sure it was Boston. Pretty sure it was Denzel. We'll take again. You know, touch. Yeah, good start to the break. These jumbos have been fire. For lock. So Boubacar Traore Fuchsia. So 325. Boubacar. Ray. Cedric Alexander. Next fractor. Dallin Hayden. So base first auto. We'll see you Buffaloes. Alright, Carson Beck. Stellato refractor. Miller's Neziah Hunter. So yellow 350 Cornhuskers. So John Mateer 55 throwback. What was KC? Oh, Drake Lindsay. So on card green 99. So Minnesota. Yeah, good first box. Golden Gophers, Chris. Yeah, a lot of on card autos.
Gave up a 3. Had a chance at that. Gets the foul.
Dribbling Avery Johnson refractor. It's Isaiah Satenga, shimmer first.
Until 2020 when he began his collegiate career with Arizona.
Man, what a great first box. Oh, true orange Nate Frazier. 25, Georgia Dogs. What a box. Dogs, Chris. Back-to-back hitters. Hey, phenomenal box of jumbo. So Avery Acropolis. TJ Parker, X-Fractor. Ooh, Bryce Underwood, 55 green. Hey, what a phenomenal box. So 28 and 99. Michigan, Colin. Miller Moss. Owen Altmaier. Ooh, hot box of jumbo. Alright, super time. Oh, super fract. So Labis Urlacher. So Brendan Lewis refractor first. Oh, Peyton Lewis. So gold shimmer first to 50. Tennessee. Oh, Dallin Hayden 275. So lime green mini. Great Towers, Bo Perbula, X-Fractor. Oh, from Mizzou, Kevin Jennings. Gliz, Caden Salter, Refractor, Eric Singleton. So base prospect auto, Auburn. So Sam Leavitt's College Rule Playbook. Udo Jay Haynes 99 green mini diamonds. So Vasco. Smyers, Cyrus Allen purple. So 75. Little Cincy Bearcat. So Pavia inserts. Jenkins, LaShawn Williams refractor. So Eli Holstein white. Oh, those are sweet. Little white shimmer to 15. So 10. Oh, 10 to 15. That jersey. It's a little jersey number match. See it for Pitts. Pittsburgh. Curtis. See it, Kurt. Oh, that's some new colors. Trace Hill, Whit Weeks, 350. So mini diamond yellow. Zena, Keon Jenkins. Black. Ooh, Reggie Virgil. Oh, those blacks are sick. True black, 3 of 10. Texas Tech Red Raiders, Sam. Oh, what a great 2-box. Oh, that looks so sharp. Rocco Lindsay. Charles Kekahuna refractor. So Underwood first Bowman. DJU. Carson Beck, yellow, so 350. Miami. Bryce Underwood, College Rule Playbook. Bowen. Rocco Becht, so prospect auto. So base ink. Iowa State Cyclones. It's Underwood, Acropolis, Marcel Reed, and Evan Pryor. And what a break. Great 2-box. Jumbo is so loaded. Great 2-boxer. Little double number 1. Thanks for jumping in, everybody. Get another 2 rolling in just a sec.